Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, I'm going to be showing you Kendra's card challenge number 19, cards 1 through 15. These are all the cards that I've created using her card sketch. I will have a link in the description box below for you to find her PDF. Or you can just simply go to kendrascardchallenges.com. These cards use 6x6 pieces of designer series paper. And you cut them up according to her instructions. And then you can embellish them any way you like. Okay? Well, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.